Check this out, guys. Yesterday I made $78, over $78 using this method, and the day before that I made over $100 just for setting this up. Now if I'm going to put it into calculator real quick, that's come to $104.02 plus 78.15. That equals to $182.17 in 2 days just for setting this up. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly what this method is, how to set this up step by step, and I'm going to give you one of the most powerful pieces of digital marketing software out there that you can use to recreate this exactly how I'm going to show you. So it's going to be working for you on complete autopilot. And not only that, this is going to work for you anywhere in the world. You don't have any skills or any experience, and just by following this video from the beginning to the end, you will know exactly how this method works, so you can replicate these same results, and all you have to do is just copy and paste the exact same things that I'm going to show you from this step-by-step instruction written guide that I'm going to give you in today's video for free. So there's literally no way you're not going to make any money with this. So just make sure to smash the like button under this video to help me with the YouTube algorithm, subscribe to this channel to stay tuned for more money making content, and also make sure to tick that little notification bell next to it, so every time I upload a brand new money making video, you get to watch it right away and make the most amount of money. Okay guys, for today's video we are going to be using a high-level digital marketing platform. If you're going to be using this platform, you get basically everything that you may need for digital marketing, affiliate marketing, or even running your own business online under one roof, very accessibly, so you can very easily skyrocket your earnings or promote your business way better with this piece of digital software. Now as you can see, HighLevel is currently serving over 20,000 agencies, is being used by over 1.2 million businesses. It has generated over 600 million, over 622 million leads, and all the conversions happening because of this site are over 9 billion. Now pretty much this platform is going to allow you to do everything from capturing new leads for your business or for your marketing strategies. Then you can use fully automated software to keep in touch with these leads, send them everything from emails, messages, voicemails, DMs on Facebook and Instagram, and you will be able to set up your own checkout processes using this platform too. So pretty much if you're looking to make some serious money online and you are in this for the long term, I highly suggest you check out GoHighLevel.com as the platform that you can do everything on. Now if you want to sign up for an extended free trial, just go to the first link in the video description and check out this platform for yourself. And if you're already using some other software to do all this stuff for you, after you're going to check out HighLevel, you may want to reconsider moving everything from different platforms, different websites here, because it will be that way easier to manage under one roof. So pretty much once you sign up to your account, it's going to look something like this. Right here in this toolbar on the left, you can find everything that you may need for digital marketing, from conversations to scheduling calendars to organizing your own contact list. And if you're going to be promoting your business or doing affiliate marketing strategies, you can use their built-in drag and drop site builder, which we are going to be using in today's method actually. So you will see how it works live in just a couple of seconds. And then you can use automated processes to keep in touch with the potential customers and promote offers very effectively. And if you're going to follow this copy and paste done for you method, all you have to do is just set this up once and it's going to be making money for you on complete autopilot. Now in order to make money with HighLevel, what you want to do is actually have something that you want to promote and sell to potential customers. For that, go to Digistore 24, because in this video I'm going to show you one of the most powerful affiliate offers out there, and combining it with this platform you will be able to see results almost instantly. So pretty much go to Digistore 24, and if you're new here, obviously sign up for your free account, otherwise just log right into it. Then just go straight to the affiliate marketplace and then go into the fitness and health section. If you're going to go there, at the tab, right here at the tab, you can see this Ultimate Keto Plan affiliate product. And why is this product so effective? I'm going to explain to you in a couple of seconds. First of all, you can see you can make around $25.05 for each sale of this product. Every visitor to the sales page is going to be able to sign up for a $1 trial, and they will receive a free keto cookbook. If you go to the affiliate page of the product, you can see right here how it's going to exactly work like, and pretty much you will get step-by-step instructions how to effectively promote this offer right here. So even if you are not going to be watching this video from beginning to end, just go ahead and sign up for HighLevel, follow these exact instructions that you get on this affiliate page, and that way you can still make some money with it. But if you want my take on this method, just pretty much keep watching, because I'm going to show you step by step how to set this up and how this works. And you can see right here, pretty much you will be getting traffic to your landing page that we are going to create on HighLevel. Then this traffic will be redirected to the sales page. but because they have put in their email address into your landing page, they will be sent a free copy of the keto cookbook. And because they have received value first, they are that much more likely to continue in purchasing in this funnel, and pretty much for every upsell you're going to make money. So what you want to do first is create this very simple opt-in page that you will drive traffic to, and for that go to HighLevel and go to this sites section, and you want to create a new funnel. Just click on new funnel and you can create your custom funnel from scratch, or you can go for some from this template library. And if by any chance you are not an affiliate marketer or you don't want to be creating your own funnel from scratch, what you can do is choose one of these pre-made, high quality pre-made templates that are already done for you, and you can also filter by the niche that you are in. For example, if you're one of these niches, you can just go ahead and filter by these, and we are promoting health and fitness offer in today's video, so I'm just going into this health and wellness section, and you can see you can use some of these high quality templates for this method as well. Just pretty much open it up and customize it however you like. But for those of you who do not want to be using these templates, especially all the new people out there who would want a very simple step-by-step process how to start doing this, I'm going to show you how to create one from scratch. Pretty much all you need to do is just create a new funnel and name it something, preferably to do with the offer, and for that I like going with the name of the product, so I'm just going to copy it from the Digistore 24 marketplace and paste it into the funnel name. Then just click on create a funnel, and all you need to do now is just add steps to this funnel. Pretty much you can do that by pressing this add new step button, and you want to name your page something. For that I'm going to use the same title of the product that I used for the name of this funnel, and then just click on create funnel step. And after you create your simple opt-in page, what you want to do is click on create from blank, and you will be taken to this very simple drag and drop website editor that you may be familiar with if you have ever used like WordPress or any other website builder. But because this is built in and already connected to many functions that are on HighLevel, you can make the automation process that much easier. So what you want to do to start building is click on sections, add section, and you want to place the full width row into this editing canvas. You will get a box right here where you can add different content in. So I'm just going to click on add row, add a single column because I want to be placing a simple text right here. Then just click on add elements, and you need to select headline, because in this place we are going to be placing our large headline that's going to be explaining what this offer is about. So just make sure to write in this text box something like, looking to lose weight? Try our ultimate keto meal plan. Then just go ahead and customize this text a little bit. For example, let's make it larger, something like this. Then I'm also going to underscore it because I want to place importance on this title, just like that. Then just go ahead and place another section right below this one. Again, make it full width, so it's going to be covering the entire page. Add another row with a column in it, and then just add another sub-headline this time in there. Then what you want to write here is something like, grab your free copy of Ultimate Keto Meal Plan Cookbook. Then just go ahead and customize this text too, just make it larger, for example something like this. Then also make sure to highlight part of the text where it says the name of the book and the name of the product, just like this. And then also what I'm going to do is adjust the distances between these two boxes. Just go ahead and select this box and play with this button to make it to your liking. For example, I'm going to make it a little bit more squeezed, just like this. And then also what I forgot is to highlight the importance of this free copy of the cookbook. So I'm just going to make it bolder, just like this. That's pretty much it. Then just place another section, add section, full width below this one, and this time what you want to paste in there, if you're going to add elements, is this form. Now first of all, you don't have any forms if you're going to start out on HighLevel, because you need to create some from scratch if you're going to be using this blank template. So pretty much just click on click here, and you need to create a simple opt-in form. To do that, just click on add form right here, and you get to another simple drag and drop editor, which is very easy to navigate even for complete beginners. So just go ahead and place a couple of these boxes with a full name in there, and then you need to place a email capture box in there, just like that. Then just go ahead and place a button right below this opt-in form, and also go ahead and customize this button so it's going to tell people exactly what they are getting. So I'm just going to position it in the middle. I'm going to make it larger, then also make the corners rounded a little bit, so adjust this corner radius option to, let's say, 20. And I'm going to also customize the text of this button, and for that just go to this top section where it says text and write in there something like get free book now. Then I'm also going to write into this subtext, enter your email and click here, so it will be more clear what people need to do in order to get this free cookbook. Then just pretty much I'm going to change the color of this button to, let's say, green, just like that. that, and I'm also going to increase the size of this subtext so it's going to be more visible. And this is done. All you need to do now is just click on integrate form and choose one of these styles how this form is going to appear. Now for a landing page like this inline form is going to work very well, so just click on that and your form will be saved. All you need to do now is just go back to the site that you are creating, select a form that you have created, and it's going to be placed on this site. Now also what you want to do is put an image of an enticing keto cookbook somewhere here. In order to do that, just select another section, place it over this opt-in form, and you want to add 2 columns this time, because we are going to be adding text and image in there. So pretty much just go to Google and search for keto diet, and you want to grab yourself an image that's going to in short explain what a keto diet is. For example, this one right here should look very well, so I'm just going to copy it, go back to HighLevel and paste it into this left column that I have created by pressing add element and add a image. And to add a image, all you need to do is just scroll all the way down here, and you want to select this upload option, click on upload file and upload the image there. Then what you want to do is add a text element into this right field. So for example, add a subheading just like that, and in here what you want to do is type in small enticing text, something like this, so it's going to make people want this keto cookbook. Now pretty much if you want, just go ahead and pause this video, and if you're going to be doing it for this exact same method, just copy this entire text that you can see right now on your screen, or you can just go ahead and write some yourself, or even use AI like ChatGPT to write it for you. Now once you finish this text, what you need to do, and this is the important part, you need to select this button in this opt-in form, and in this bottom left section what you need to do is make sure you're going to select go to website URL. Then just go back to Digistore24, grab your affiliate link of this product and embed it into this button by pasting it in this field. And also one of the important steps what you can't really miss is optimize this for mobile, because a lot of the traffic today is coming from mobile users. So to do that, just go to this preview section, click on mobile, and pretty much all you need to do is just resize the size of this text and placement so it's going to be more friendly for mobile. For example, let's select this text right here, and for mobile size font I'm going to customize it to like that. This one as well, make it a little bit smaller, and I'm also going to decrease spaces between these by using these drag bars just like this. Okay, then place this image a little bit to the top, just like that. Once you're happy with the site that you created, what you need to do is just make sure you're going to publish it. To do that, just click on save button, go back to HighLevel dashboard, and your site is going to be created. Now pretty much every time somebody's going to visit it and they're going to put in their email address in order to opt in for this free copy of this ultimate keto cookbook. So to show you how it's going to work, I'm just going to put in some dummy email address, for example something like this, click on get free book now, and I will be redirected to the sales page. Now pretty much because I have put in the email address, it's going to get captured in this contact section. You can see right here that the email address that I have put in was captured in this contact section. And now what you actually need to do to continue along this plan that's laid out for you, completely done for you, is create a autoresponder with the copy of the free cookbook. To do that, just go to this automation section, click on create a new workflow, and pretty much all you need to do is just click on start from scratch, and this is yet another simple drag and drop editor that you can use to create a custom workflow. Now to do that, just click on add new workflow trigger, and for that what you want to do is click on contact created, because that way every time somebody is going to opt in on your page, they need to receive the free copy of the keto cookbook in order to be more enticed to make a purchase on the sales page. Now to do that, just make sure you're going to save trigger just like that, then just click on add first action, and you want to select send email. Pretty much the entire done for you resource for this email can be found on this affiliate page. If you're going to scroll all the way down here, you can just use this exact same email right here. Just copy it, go back to HighLevel, paste it into the body of the email, and then what you need to make sure of, 100% sure of, that this section where it says click here to download your free keto receipts is going to be embedded with the link to the keto cookbook. To verify that, just click on this clickable button, go to this link section, and you need to see this link right here, doctroy.com/WYNMF and all that stuff right there. Pretty much is the exact same link that you can find in these step-by-step instructions. So if it's not going to be there, just go ahead and copy it and paste it into this field. Then just click on save, and all you need to do is just fill in this information about your name and email, where it's going to come from. So for example, let's name it free keto cookbook. From name, put in your name. From email, put in your email. And for subject, you can use this your free keto receipts sentence from the affiliate page. just paste it in there just like that. Just paste it in there just like that, and pretty much this is now done. All you need to do now is just make sure to save action, and now every time somebody's going to come to this landing page, they're going to opt in using their email address. They're going to receive this free keto cookbook just by going to the link in the email. They're going to get free value, and this is very important because that way they're going to be primed for making a purchase. Now actually what you can do once you create this first email is just go ahead and add another emails to this sequence. For example, let's say you want to send an email in a couple of days with a different offer. You can add this wait element into the workflow. Pretty much just make sure you're going to delay it in let's say days, let's say 2 days, okay, just like that. And also make sure to customize this availability days so you can send emails even on weekends. Pretty much select advanced window, click on Sunday and Saturday as well, click on add save action, and now every time somebody is going to be added to your list, they're going to receive the free email with the free keto cookbook, and in 2 days you can add another email to the sequence where you can promote different offer. You can also go ahead and remind them about this ultimate keto diet in case they didn't make a purchase, but you can also go ahead and grab yourself another affiliate product from Digistore24. For example, in a couple of days you can start promoting these high converting keto desserts, because once they're going to start with keto diet, they will be looking to supplement their diet with some desserts, and that's why I highly recommend that you go for something like this, because if they already made a purchase, they are that much more likely to buy something from the same niche. And because of this high level automation workflow, you have to just set it up once. And it's going to be working for you for the foreseeable future. So just make sure to save your workflow, because that way it's going to get completely automated. And what you want to do now is just drive the most amount of traffic to this website. And to do that, just go ahead and copy its link. And in order to get the most amount of relevant traffic to this site, what I highly recommend is using both mix of free traffic and paid traffic. If you're going to go for free traffic, you can go to Google and search for something like best ways to lose weight forum. Just hit search, and what you want to do is go through these forums and you want to start promoting keto diet. Just go, for example, to ChatGPT, ask it to write a short promotional article about keto diet, then just go to these forums, start posting this article along with the link to this landing page that you have created, explaining that you have started using keto diet because of this exact product, and you can do this exact step for social media just as well. Now, pretty much for paid traffic, what you want to do is go to websites, for example, like udemy.com, or if you're looking for a cheaper alternative, you can go to Dao Ad. So it's Dao.ad, and you want to purchase traffic for your landing page. What I highly recommend is that you're going to look for sellers with the highest percentage of reported sales, so that way you will get the traffic that's most likely to make a purchase and for you to actually make some money. Now, pretty much this entire method is going to work for many different products from Digistore24. You can go also to other niche, for example, let's go with dating and relationships, and you can start promoting these products the exact same way using HighLevel platform. Once you're going to get in, you can create as many of these funnels as you possibly want to. You can promote many different niches just from this one single platform. You can customize the sites to your own brand. So if you're, for example, looking to start your own business with printed t-shirts or any physical product, you can do that just as well by creating sites. Choose one of these high quality templates to customize it to promote your online store. Set up lead capture and autoresponder using the automated workflows on HighLevel, and that way you can run your entire store from this one platform. Now, pretty much if you want to try the extended trial of HighLevel, just go to the first link in the video description, sign up for your account and try it out. And if you're using other software, you may want to consider moving everything from all these different websites and all these different platforms to HighLevel, because you get it all under one roof. You don't have to be paying for any additional services. You can manage everything from one place. Now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button if you haven't already. And if you're hungry for some more money making content, try checking out this video right here. Other than that, I just hope you have a fantastic day. I'm going to see you next time.